Hello YouTube. We're going to be doing a unboxing video right here. I know it has to do with my fire alarm collection. We have 3 new devices coming in, and this is just one of the 3 right here. And it's going to be a really nice system. The next system test is going to be a really nice one. You're going to really enjoy it. So I've already peeled off everything that had some private information on it, and this is not smart. Don't use something like this, but it's whatever I have handy. I don't know which device came in, but I know it's one of 3. Alright, so it is a Firelite PS-SA pulse station. It's basically a Firelite BG-12SL pulse station, brand new in box. So we're going to go and take a look at this pulse station, and we'll hook it up to the strobe on my Gentex Commander 3. I also have a battery and some wires to do it. So as you can see here, it is single action, key reset, pigtail connections, and just anything else that it needs to say. Now you can cut out the front of this for a dust cover, which that's kind of interesting that they use the package for a dust cover. And it comes open just like that, and here it is. Here's the pulse station itself. And we have some mounting screws, a user manual, and a key. So let's go and take a closer look at this. So this pulse station is basically, like it says, single action, and it's rebranded by Firelite. On the back we do have some pigtail connections, so it does not have your wire terminals or anything like that. Now to pull it, it says exactly what to do. There's actually no push in, so you can't even push it in. All you have to do is just pull it down. And that pulls really nice. And you can't block this, so you can't even put your hand here and try to pull it, because that's not going to go down. So a little flag comes down, and then you got to take the key, turn it a quarter turn. I don't even know how you open one of these. There you go. And then on the inside it says PS-SA pulse station, fire alarm equipment, fire alarm box. So let's go and close it up, and you don't have to flip the switch. So we're just going to close it. And how do you even close it? There you go. And we're going to show you the inside again. And as you can see, I've flipped it back up to normal. So we're going to pull it again, and then we'll hook it up to the alarm. See it activated, and now it's locked back to normal. And then the door also comes off, so you can switch off the cover. So if you pull it all the way out like this, you can pull off the cover. Now I don't know if you can do that if it's like slightly closed, or how you even get the cover back on. Okay, there we go. I don't even think you could do it. No, you can't. So you have to mount this with the door on. So you can't just mount this without the door on. You could just do that to switch out the cover in case your cover breaks or something. But you can also see kind of how this works. So you can see it just pulls down. There's no push in type of thing. All it does is just pull down. And you can actually switch this piece out if you need to. So let's go ahead and hook up to an alarm, and we'll go ahead and test this out, or to the strobe, I mean. Alright, so this is my very first test to see if this pole station is even gonna work. So I have the batteries here, and I have the positive of the battery going into the positive of the pole station, and then the red wires of the pole station, the black wires of the pole station going to the positive of the alarm, and then the negative of the alarm going back to the negative of the battery. The reason why I did it that way is because the pole station basically acts as a switch. So positive to the horn, or positive battery goes to positive horn, negative battery goes back to the negative of the horn. And you just wire the pole station in series of the positive or the negative, whichever you choose, if you're wiring up a pole station. But only the strobe is hooked up, and the strobe is on 15 candela. So let's go and pull it. And look at that, it works. So you turn the key, and then we have to just shut the pole station, and automatically resets. We'll go and give it one more pull, and just pull down. And I forgot to mention the word activated also comes up here. So this is lock position. You can't take the key out when it's in unlock position, so you could just open it up and close it back up. And that's it. So I'll get more familiar with this pole station. I've never had some sort of Firelite BG-12, especially this is a single action and it's my Silent Night. So this is the Silent Night PS, that's SA pole station, or a Firelite BG-12SL. So, and if you're curious, this does not take the Firelite key, and I don't think you can use the Firelite key with this, but I could be wrong, but I don't have a Firelite key to test that. But this is my second key type pole station, but then it also does have pigtail. So I have 2 pigtail pole stations, 2 key type pole stations, and 2 single action pole stations. And to give you a little sneak peek, the next system tests will have an expansion in here. I'm not going to tell you where, but that will be a nice sneak peek that there will be some sort of expansion from the system into the garage, which is why I got the pole station. I'll definitely get more pole stations in the future, but right now we're gonna use this pole station in my room. So that was it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.